Ladies, it takes 15 minutes of preparation and 45 days to make a large jar of pickled onions.
You need 2 pounds of pickling onions peeled, 1.5 pints of malt
vinegar or pickling vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of ready mixed pickling spices. Peel the onions and place 1/3 of them into a large preserves jar. Scatter 1/3 of the spices over the top of the first layer of onions and continue packing the onions into the jar, adding 2 more layers of spices as you go.
Pour in the malt vinegar, making sure that all the onions are completely covered.
If there isn't enough vinegar, add a little extra.
Seal the jar and store in a dark, cool place for at least 6 weeks before using the pickled onions.
To make the perfect pickles, you must follow these guidelines.
To prevent bruising, don't pack the produce too tight.
Tightly into the jars. Pack to within 2.5 centimetres of the top of the jar, allowing the onions to be completely covered in vinegar. Always use sterilised jars and vinegar-proof lids. These onions will last for up to 2 years plus in ideal conditions. Ladies,
I'm going to have my sexual organ removed.
قربون زنی که ناز نکن روز اگر نماز نکن شوی هندورسی به چشم خویدید که یارو داخلن در باز نکن از صبح در وی خونه یکن ول نماز مغرب ناتن به منزل از صبح در وی خونه یکن ول نماز مغرب ناتن به منزل والا نکنم چاره زبانی حرفی گوش نکن آتیش نجانی والا نکنم چاره زمانی حرفی گوش نکن آتیش نجانی جگرم. The guy is basically saying because she doesn't listen to reason, he just, with every attempt to make her listen, and when she doesn't, it feels as though with every word he sets his soul on fire and it burns him, but she still refuses to listen. به قربان زنی که ناز نکن روزه گره نماز نکن شوی هندورسی به چشم خویدید که یارو داخلن در باز نکن هرچه نکنم نبودن آدم خدا به این بکن قربون خدایی هرچی کنم نبودن آدم خدا به این بکن قربون خدایی جونمای.
Is it really necessary? Oh yes, please, but will it hurt?
No.
No. No way, no. Definitely not.
Are you happy to have your sexual organ removed?
Oh,
No.
yes. Will people be able to tell?
No.
Thank you. Sign here, please. Are you happy to have your sexual organ removed?
Oh, yes, please.
Will people be able to tell when I've got my clothes on? Will I have to buy a whole new wardrobe? Will it be painful afterwards?
No.
No way. No, no.
Do I have to?
What will it look like?
Thank you. Sign here, please. Are you happy to have your sexual organ removed?
No. No, I don't think so.
Oh, yes.
Will I be able to have sex?
Yes, but, what shall I tell my parents?
I think so.
Thank you. Sign here, please.
No. What will it look like afterwards?
No.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. Sign here, please.
I'm not really sure.
Will it be painful afterwards? Will there be scars? Is it really necessary?
Thank you. Sign here, please.
Gentlemen, women are traditionally expected to cook the food in the family home.
Women are traditionally expected to cook the food in the family home.
Whilst traditional stereotypes of male-female roles have become far less strict over the last few generations, the idea of woman as the family chef
Has hardly changed at all.
ask around.
See how many people your age remember father cooking most of the family meals.
Consider the stereotype of a single young man living on takeaway food because he's never learned to cook.
Because he's never learned how to cook.
Women's magazines often give regular recipe features.
Men's publications may give advice on choosing wines.
Choosing wines or mixing cocktails, but very little else. But regardless of stereotypes, a single woman who can cook well
Can save money and improve her health, amongst other advantages.
Onions, for example, are known as medicine. They block cancer, thin the blood, warn off blood clots, but they also fight chronic bronchitis, infections, hay fever and asthma. Pickled onions
Infections, hay fever and asthma.
are very low in calories, and they contain hardly any fat, but they are full of sodium, which is bad for you consumed in large amounts.
Not to mention the vinegar. But if you know how much sodium is in a food, you can work out roughly the amount of salt it contains by multiplying the sodium by 2.5. So if a portion of food contains 1.2 grams sodium,
Then it contains roughly 3 grams salt. Time for my Botox injections.